looking to add some life to your home or a pop of color to your space, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to be diving into the incredible benefits of indoor plants, and I'll be showing you exactly how to care for them so that they thrive, they don't die in your hands. All right, so stay with me till the very end of the video, guys. And if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join this amazing family. All right, so let's get right into the video. So let's talk about why indoor plants are not just a pretty decoration, okay, but the amazing benefits that they have. I'll just share with you some of those amazing benefits, and then we'll talk about how we can care for them. Why indoor plants are more than just a pretty decoration for your home. They actually have some amazing benefits, and here are some of the top reasons why you should consider adding plants to your indoor space. Number one, they help to boost the air quality. Indoor plants are natural air purifiers. They absorb carbon dioxide and they release oxygen, improving the air quality in your home. Some plants like the snake plant or the peace lily are known for removing toxins from the air, thereby they're creating like a cleaner and a healthier environment for you and in your space. So you really want to consider introducing plants for that reason. Secondly, they help to improve your mood and to reduce stress. Spending time around plants can have a calming effect on the mind. Studies have actually shown that indoor plants can reduce stress, can reduce anxiety, and even depression. Simply being in the presence of greenery can improve your mood and increase productivity. So introduce greenery into your space and just see it transform and improve your mood, guys. Thirdly, plants also help to increase humidity. So some plants can actually increase the humidity in your home, especially during the dry winter months. Guys, we are approaching winter, so this is the best time to actually consider having an indoor plant in your space. And I'm talking about live indoor plants, guys. Let's not mix it up. I know there's a place for artificial plants, but yeah, I'm talking about live indoor plants. So consider introducing live plants in your space. Now, this is also great for your skin, for your respiratory health, and even for your wooden furniture. So consider plants like the Boston fern or some palms. They're actually known for their high humidity boosting properties. So consider those kind of plants, or do some research and pick up plants that are high in humidity boosting properties, yes, and introduce those in your space. Now, the fourth benefits you could have from having indoor plants in your space is that it helps to improve focus and productivity. Plants can actually improve your concentration. Adding plants to your workspace can increase focus, creativity, and help you to work more efficiently. So if you're working from home or you're studying, try placing a few plants nearby and see how that improves the process for you. Please feel free to come back and share with me how these tips have worked for you, okay? And then the fifth reason why you should introduce indoor plants into your space is that they actually add natural beauty to your home. So plants simply make your home look beautiful. That's just the honest truth. You know, it's a no-brainer. They bring natural colors, they bring textures and life to any space, making it feel cozy, vibrant, and welcoming. So if you feel your space is too dull, try, making it pop up with just introducing a live plant there, and just see it really transforms the way a place looks. So those are some of the amazing benefits that you get from introducing a live plant in your space. Now that we have talked about the benefits of having an indoor plant, I really hope you have considered that and you have decided that you will get one if you don't have any, or you get some more if you already have some. Let's talk about how we can care for them. And don't worry about this, it's not as hard as you think. It's actually a lot easier than you think, okay? So here are some of the essential tips that can help you to cater for your indoor plants and to ensure that they thrive. Number one, choose the right plants. Not all plants are actually created equal. Some plants thrive in low light while others need plenty of sunshine. So make sure to choose plants that suit the condition of your home. You can do a lot of research around this and you would find out the plants that suit your space better. If you have limited natural lights, go for low light plants or snake plants, okay? And then if you have brighter spaces, you can try succulents, cattle, or even some fiddle leaf figs. Okay, so those are some of the plants you can explore. So just do some research around the kind of plant that will suit your space before you actually go out to buy. It doesn't really take so much to do that. Just search. I know that a snake plant will work almost anywhere if you have low light, so consider that. And if you have bright lights, like I said, these are some of the ideas that I've shared that you want to explore. Water wisely. One of the most important aspects of plant care is watering. Overwatering is a common mistake and it can lead to root rot. as a general rule, check the soil moisture before watering. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it's dry, then it's time to water. Okay, for plants like succulents, wait until the soil is completely dry, and then for tropical plants, keep the soil slightly moist. Then number 3, you need to provide proper drainage. Okay, so a good drainage is actually key to a healthy plant. Always make sure your pots have drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. And if your pot doesn't have drainage, you can add like small stones at the bottom to help the water to flow. All right, and then the 4th tips around taking care of your plant is fertilizing. So indoor plants also need like good nutrients to stay strong and healthy, so use a balanced liquid fertilizer. These are readily available in stores, but be careful not to overdo it, okay? Because during the growing season, like in spring and summer, you can fertilize like maybe once a month, but in fall and in winter, when most plants are dormant, you can reduce the feeding to once every 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, so the 5th tip around catering for your indoor plant is to regularly check for pests. So indoor plants can sometimes attract pests like spider mites or mainly bugs. So regularly inspect your plants for any sign of pests, such as yellowing leaves or webbing. And if you notice anything unusual, try wiping down the leaves with a damp cloth or using an insecticide soap, And then the 6th way you can cater for your plant is by pruning and repotting. Always remember to prune your plants or to remove dead or damaged leaves. This keeps them looking healthy and encourages new growth. Every couple of years, you may need to repot your plants into a larger container, to give them more space to grow. So that is it, guys. So those are the tips that I have shared with you on how you can cater for your plants. Now, indoor plants are not only beautiful, they also come in with a ton of health benefits, like improving the air quality, boosting your mood, increasing your productivity. And with a little care and attention, your plants will thrive and they will transform your space into a green sanctuary. So yeah, that's basically what I've shared about in today's video. So if you found these tips helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any time I share this kind of amazing tips with you. And please don't forget to leave a comment below on what your favorite indoor plant is and how you care for it. Somebody out there might just need to know, and it would, really help. I would also really love to hear from you. So please go ahead and share with me in the description or in the comment section what your favorite indoor plant is and how you care for it, okay? I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.